Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome to Mr Marashanye online lessons. Please, after watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share our YouTube channel. Okay, as for today, we are going to talk about what we call laws of indices. Laws of indices. So let me start by explaining the first law, which is law number 1, right? If you can just take out your notebook so that you can write some notes as I am going to explain the laws of indices in detail. Okay, so the first law, it says x to the power of 2, in simple terms, x to the power of 2 times x to the power of let me say 3, like this. This will be x to the power of 2 plus 3. Then our final answer will be x to the power of 5, like this. So what is the meaning of this one? Right, this law is very simple. This law is very simple, right? This law, it states that when you multiply numbers, you must add the powers. That's why it has what, x to the power of 2 plus 3. When you multiply, you must add the powers, which means multiplication of indices. Multiplication of indices, it means addition of powers. It means addition of powers. That is the meaning or the interpretation of law number 1. Okay, let me do example 2 on the same law. Okay, let me just do example 2. Right, suppose you are given the question like this: 2x squared times 3x to the power 5, like this. What are you going to do if you are given the question like this? Obviously, you are going to multiply the numbers, but when it comes to the powers, multiplication, this one, it means addition of the powers. Okay, so you are going to multiply 2 times 3, then you get 6, right? When it comes to x squared times x to the power of 5, tichangotora x mumwe chete, right? Then kandatora x mumwe chete. What is the meaning of this multiplication? This multiplication, it means only addition of the given powers. Correct? We are going to say 6x to the power of 2 plus 5. Why? Because x uyo mapower ayo ari kuaffecta vana x chete. So ndichango eda x to the power of 2 plus 5. Okay, then our final answer will be 6x to the power of 2 plus this one get to the power of 7. This is the answer. So sometimes unogona kupiwa manamba akasiyana, papana 2 apa paina 3, unoto multiply 1 na 6, but apa kana pana x, apa kana pana x futi, ucha apply law inoti multiplication of indices, means the addition of powers, right? In some cases, you'll be given the question like this. You'll be given a question like this, right? You'll be given a question like this: y to the power of 3 times y, like this. Then apapana personal power. So kana personal power, it means this one is to the power of 1. So unengo wakungo to y to the power of 3 times y to the power of 1. Then unengo wakuzoti y unotora y umwe chete, because y na y vakafanana utora y umwe chete. About multiplication, it means addition of powers. So we are going to say y to the power of 3 then plus 1. Let me write it here: y to the power of 3 plus 1. Then your final answer will be what? Your final answer obviously will be y to the power of 4. This will be your final answer. Okay, right, then law number 2. Law number 2, let me write law number 2. This is law number 1. Right, law number 2, it says x to the power of 8 divide by x to the power of 3. Right, pipette multiplication of numbers in indices. It means addition of powers. What about this one? Right, division of numbers in indices. It means subtraction of powers. So multiplication, actually it means addition of powers, but division of numbers in indices, it means subtraction of powers. So I'm going to say x to the power of 8 minus 3. Then our final answer will be x to the power of 5, like this. Okay, I think you are assisted. For those who want to join us for our online lesson, just contact me on the number shown on your screen, okay, so that you can join our online lessons where you get lessons every day except Sundays. Okay, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share our YouTube channel to your friends, to your loved one. Thank you so much.